Hi, this is Heather from Weifang CY Packaging. Due to the complexity of all materials and processes in the packaging printing industry, I know most of people that you don't know much about the paper bag. Because we have different material, different kind of finishing. So today I'm going to explain to you. For paper bag customization, we normally use ivory paper, coated paper, craft paper. So here, if you want to know what kind of paper should you use, you can come to our website to get more information, and here I just explain you very simply. Okay, so if you have the advertisement as your paper bag, you can use the ivory paper. It's a very cost-effective paper bag that you can use. And if you want to print gold, you can use the art paper, but the price is a little bit high. If you want the economical paper bag, craft material is a good choice. It's widely used in packaging all kinds of products, which is very sturdy and durable. So, if for more information, you can come to our Alibaba store, and then we can help you to deal or get information. If you want to know more, please visit our Alibaba website. Then we can help you make a transaction or obtain information. This is the whole content of this video. Follow us, like us, and see you in the next video. Bye!